Dear students, welcome in this YouTube channel. In this video, we will discuss about one case study based question, and this question is taken from class 10, chapter 13, surface areas and volumes. So let's see what is in the question. A carpenter in the small town of Bareilly used to make and sell different kinds of wood items like a rectangular box, cylindrical pen stand and cuboidal pen stand. One day a student came to his shop and asked him to make a pen stand with dimensions as follows. A pen stand should be in the shape of a cuboid with 4 conical depressions to hold pens. So here this pen holder is in the shape of cuboid, and in it there are 4 conical depressions. These are 4 conical depressions so that these can hold the pens. So the dimensions of cuboid are length 15 cm, breadth 10 cm and height is 3.5 cm of this cuboid. The radius of the conical radius of the each of the depression which is conical is 0.5 cm and depth is 1.4 cm. So it means which is the conical part. There are 4 conical part here. So radius of each conical part is 0.5 centimeter, that is 1/2 centimeter, and depth which is height of the cone, that is 1.4 centimeter. So now the questions are, by using the above given information, find the following. So first of all, the volume of the cuboid. So cuboid volume is L into B into H. So 15 into 10 into 3.5. So this is 15 into 10 into 3.5 is 35. So 15 5s are 75, 5 here 7 carry, 15 3s are 45 plus 7 52. So 525 centimeter cube. So C option is the correct option here. So let's see what is the next question. Volume of 4 conical depression is. So we know volume of one conical depression is 1/3 pi r square h. So volume of 4 conical depression will be 4 into 1/3 pi r square h. So here we will fill the values. 4 into 1/3 pi is 22/7 r. For this conical part, radius is 0.5. So 0.5 means 5/10, that is 1/2. R square, 1/2 square, and H is 1.4, that is 14/10 centimeter cube is the volume of 4 conical parts. So let's divide these. So it is 7 2s are 5 2s are 7 1s are 7 1s are 2 2s are 4 4 with 4. So it is left 22/15 centimeter cube. So let's see what is this. So here 22/15 is B option is correct here. So now the third question is, the volume of the wood in the entire stand is. So see here we are to find out the volume of the wood in the entire stand. So volume of the wood will be volume of the cuboid minus volume of the 4 conical depression, because from wood there are 4 conical depressions. Wood is out from the cuboid. How we have made this pen holder? What we have done, we have taken out the wood from 4 conical depressions from the cuboid. So for finding the wood remaining wood in the entire stand, we are to subtract the volume of the 4 conical depressions from the volume of the total cuboid, right? So third question will be volume of the cuboid, that is 525 we have found out in the first part, minus a volume of the 4 conical depression. Okay, so see it will be 525 minus, if I divide 22 by 15, I'll get 15 1s are 15. Okay, 7 is left. So 70, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 6s are, okay, so it is going with 15 4s are 60, right? Now 15 is left, 15 4s are 60, sorry 10 is left, so it becomes 100. So it is going with 15 6 are 90, So again 10 is left, it is 100 now, 15 6 so 666 will come, so we can round this, so we can write here 1.467 also we can write, or here also we can write 7 approximate. So if I subtract these two, I'll get 523.53 centimeter cube. Okay, so this will be our answer of the third part, 523.53. so A option is correct here. So let's see the fourth part. The formula of TSA of the cone is given by, we know TSA of the cone is CSA plus area of the base. So CSA is, CSA is pi RL plus area of the base is pi r square. So it is pi RL plus pi r square. So D option is correct here. Now the fifth part is, during the conversion of a solid from one shape to another, the volume of the new shape will increase, decrease, remain unaltered, be doubled. So we know when one solid is converted into another solid, then volume remains same, means remains unaltered. So C option is the correct option here. So this way we will do this case study based question. Thanks for watching.